Immerse yourself in the vibrant atmosphere and diverse cultures of New York City at St. George Towers. This student accommodation boasts a wide range of shared and private rooms specifically designed to make your stay comfortable and hassle-free throughout your academic life. After a hectic day, sink into the plush beds and get a restful sleep. Each room welcomes you to a spacious closet area where you can keep all your belongings. Once inside, explore the common area where comfortable sofas await you to relax with friends while watching your favorite TV series. Along with providing free high-speed Wi-Fi access to the residents, the property rent also covers all the utility bills and enables better financial management. Wondering how far your college is? This property lies in close proximity to the Brooklyn Law School and Hult International Business School, ensuring you never run late for any lecture. You'll be glad to know that there are numerous places where they can spend their evenings. The locality is blessed with beaming pubs, such as Halsey Ale House, Old Stanley's Bar, and many more. Additionally, the most convenient part is that you can easily catch a metro from the nearest subway station or hop onto a taxi to reach any part of the city. All in all, this accommodation is your ideal student retreat in New York. Make the right choice and book your room at amberstudent.com today.